Tayo ba ay hindi rin baliw paminsan-minsan? Meron din naman tayong mga colleagues dito na gumagamit ng social media. Kung ano-ano sinasabi sa atin. Minumura rin tayo paminsan-minsan. Doon kanina kinanta ni Congressman Erice, sino ang tunay na baliw? Posibleng baliw. Pero tayo ba ay nasasaktan sa mga ginawa niya? Noong naglabas siya ng video at nagsabi na tayo mga buhaya, a few days after that, I talked to him. Sinabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang maglabas ng ganyan. Huwag mo sabihin na tayong lahat ay buhaya dahil ikaw ay isa ring congressman. Sinasabi mo rin na buhaya ka. Ngayon, paano yung mas mabigat na mga nakasira talaga ng imahe natin? Yung mga talagang nagnakaw. Yung rason kung bakit tayo tinatawag na congressman ngayon. Na tayo daw ay nagnanakaw sa mga flood control programs. Yung bang mga baseless accusations kung bakit tayo ay sinasabing merong maleta na binigyan ng 20 million pesos. Dear colleagues, si Kiko ay binoto ng mga taga Cavite sa distrito niya. Hayaan natin na sila ang magtanggal sa kanya by not voting for him in the coming elections. Dear colleagues, let us examine ourselves. Tayo ba ay talagang napakalinis? Tayo ba ay hindi rin baliw paminsan-minsan? Meron din naman tayong mga colleagues dito na gumagamit ng social media. Kung ano-ano sinasabi sa atin. Minumura rin tayo paminsan-minsan. Di ba? Discipline him. Reprimand him. Suspend him as much as you want. But for us to take him out, let us not put this action of expulsion in our own hands. Let the people of Cavite in his district decide for him and not us for these reasons.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to adopt the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 298 and pursuant to our rules, direct the Secretary General to read the title of the committee report and thereafter call the roll of members for nominal voting.
There is a
Parliamentary
motion.
inquiry, Madam Speaker.
Majority Leader.
What is
May we know how many votes is needed to expel our colleague?
uh, 212 votes or 2/3 of the members are required?
And they should be in warm bodies.
Move to suspend, Madam Chair.
Session suspended.
Yes, Madam Chair. Warm bodies and the roll will be called, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, may I request for a roll call so that we may know? Because I've been counting the representatives here and ang bilang ko lang po 160. And kung 2/3 po, 212 ang kailangan po natin para makaboto. Kaya po, at gusto ko rin po sana hilingin during the roll call, to be fair to Congressman Kiko Barsaga, baka po pwedeng mag-watcher po. May watcher dun sa...
Majority Leader.
Madam Chair, I would just like to reiterate that the motion is for the Secretary General to call the roll of members for nominal voting.
There's a motion to adopt the findings and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 298. Is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is hereby directed to call the roll of members for nominal voting.
Madam Chair, I have a...
Please proceed, Secretary General.
Madam Chair, may we know, may
Madam
we
Chair,
have
the
a,
vote cannot
to be
be
fair,
recorded, Madam Chair.
to be fair to Congressman Kiko Barsaga, we are all
and
only 160
SC-2025-07.
here. So we
The
need
Secretary is
Findings and
directed to
recommendations of the committee on the matter of
continue with the
have
nominal
a
voting.
representative there. I'm volunteering myself.
Roll call of members.
Madam Chair, it started already. We cannot interrupt
Abalos.
it. We must proceed.
We-
Abante.
Secretary, please proceed.
Abalos. Abante. Asidre. Acop, Costa, Adyong, Advincula, Agrao, Agyao, Alano, Alba, Albano, Almario Chino Miguel, Almario Dennis, Almonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes, Amante, Amatong, Angara, Angeles, Aquino, Aquino Magsaysay, Arbison Munir Jr., Arenas, Arrogancia, Asistio, Ataide, Aumentado, Ayon, Bagao, Balindong, Banyas Nograles, Bangkoro, Barbers, Baronda,